Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best heat press machines that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Better Sub Heat Press 12x15. The heating plate of the Better Sub Heat Press is made of aluminum so the heat spreads evenly. It can also swing 360 degrees so it's easier to move out of the way once you're done pressing your design. The base has a heat-resistant silicone pad and pressure sponge. This makes it safer for you to work with the machine and helps prevent burning on your designs. The temperature and time are both digitally controlled. This makes the device more accurate and consistent. The temperature can range from 0 to 226 Celsius and the time duration can range from 0 to 999 seconds. This is a 5-in-1 heating press because it comes with 4 more extensions. These include a mug heater for 110Z, a 15 diameter plate heater, a 12.5 diameter plate heater, and an 8 by 15 centimeters cap heater. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Cricut EasyPress 2 heat press machine. This model of Cricut EasyPress 2 is similar to the first heat press that we discussed in this list. The main difference is that it has a larger press size. Since this is a larger version, the press size is 30.48 by 25.4 centimeters. This makes it perfect for when you're working on larger designs on larger mediums like blankets, banners, or bags. Just like the other models, it has an advanced heating plate design with a ceramic coating. This design distributes the heat evenly. The temperature can be adjusted to a maximum of 400 degrees. It also has an insulated safety base for when you're not using the device. It's a safe place to put your device while you're working. At number 3, we have the Royal Press. If you are searching for a stellar choice for beginners, then Royal Press is the best pick for you. With a pull-away design, the heat press is safe to use for printing purposes. You can easily work through this heat press machine without getting closer to hot plates by large-sized lower plates. The plates are made of aluminum with a Teflon coating, making them durable. Having a magnetic lock prevents the plate from slippage. As it is accurate, the heat press beeps and gets unlocked after the process is done. Since the Royal Press features a temperature display and function controller, it is a good pick for beginners. At number 2, we have the Viver Heat Press Machine. Are you searching for a heat press machine with versatility? The Viver Heat Press Machine is the best choice for you. Featuring 2-layer insulation technology, this heat press machine is capable of providing maximized performance in printing. As it is cost-effective, the heat press machine features reliable and efficient motherboards. For fast operation, you can easily control the temperature and time through digital control. Accurate temperature control is one of the efficient features of a heat press machine. Along with the 360-degree rotating swing-away pads, the heat press machine also features dual thermal insulation. Having a rubber handle that is durable saves you effort in fixing or adjusting the plates. Considering the quality, the heat press has a Teflon coating that acts as a protective layer to the heat press. And finally, at number 1, we have the TUSY Heat Press. The TUSY Heat Press is the best pick for most of the products. The heat press ensures safety due to the Teflon coating. This can easily stop you from accidental burns. The sponge pads and thick silicone of the heat press are elastic and capable of giving great results through flat pressing. You can easily adjust and control the pressure as per your work through the pressure adjusting knob. Due to the swing-away design, the heat press conquers less space so you can use this at home and at the office. Considering this impressive feature, TUSY Heat Press is the best pick not only for professional but for personal purposes.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.